Good day, everyone, and welcome back to this channel. Today, we're going to be teaching ourselves on how to download SRTM DEM, that is Shuttle Radar Topographic Mission Digital Elevation Model. So to do that, we are going to launch our QGIS. The official way to download SRTM Digital Elevation Model is through the USGS Earth Explorer. And we need to create accounts with them. And once we have created our account, then we can have access to the data. And we can have access to the data through our QGIS environment too, without needing to be going to USGS environment every time. So I'm going to click on new project here. Then I'm going to come to plugins. I'm going to come to manage and install plugins. Then I'm going to search for SRTM downloader. You can see Shuttle Radar Topographic Mission downloader. On selecting it, you can see the description about it and what it's all about. Then you can click on install plugin. I've already installed, and that's why I'm not reinstalling again. I can still reinstall as the case may be. So close. After closing, you can now come to plugins. Then you see SRTM downloader here. Then you can click on it. Once you click on it, yes. Then after that, we can set our canvas extent, but we don't really know where we are. So that's why we are not going to be setting it now. We are going to find a base map to use to know exactly where we want to download. So I'm going to click on close. Then I'm going to come to plugins again and manage and install plugins to download to get our base map. I'm going to delete this and search for QuickMapServices. The QuickMap is written together. Yes, QuickMapServices, and I'm going to install it again. Then once we are done installing, then close it. Then come to web. QuickMapServices here. You can see NASA, you can see OSM. So we're going to be using OSM, that is Open Standard Map. I'm going to click OSM, and this is it here. So before we continue, what I want us to do is that I want us to change the projection here to our preferred projection. So come to the bottom right corner here, and you can see EPSG 3857. We're going to change it to WGS 84. So, which is EPSG 4326. If you can't find it, you can just search for EPSG 42. Space. EPSG 4326. ESG 4326. If you see it here, don't forget to add the column there. Then you can select it, and this is the WGS 84. Apply it and click OK, so that we know that everything we are picking is in situ, is proper. So the next thing we are going to do now is that I'm going to zoom to my area of interest. I'm going to be zooming to a part of FCT in Nigeria, which is here. I'll just zoom on this Abuja itself, the center, the capital. So I can use my zoom icon here button and as highlight it on my area of interest, which is this area. Then the next thing to do is to come to our plugins. I'll come to SRTM downloader here. Then we can click on set canvas extent. Then we can click on download image. So when we click on download image, it's going to bring up an environment that will tell us to go to USGS environment and register, or I should log in with my username and password. So if you have username and password already, you can enter it, and if you don't have it, we'll go to USGS environment to create accounts so that we can be able to download the image. So click on download. It's telling me that I have to download 2 images. So this is the link. Clicking on the link, then you can register here, then come back to USGS environment and enter your username and password and click OK. So then it's going to download my data. So you can see that it's saying that I have to, it's 2 images here. That means I have to download the 2 images to cover my area of interest. So it's downloading already. So I can minimize, then reduce the size so that we're able to click on close here. One has downloaded and it has fully downloaded. So I'm going to click on OK. I can close here. You can see that it has downloaded for that area. So 2 tiles here. So if you look through here, this is not what we need. This is not what we need. This is our tile. This is a tile. And this is another tile. So, and this has actually merged the 2 tiles together. So, can close this, and close this also, and have it like this. This has already merged the 2 tiles together. And it's because I'm using the updated version of QGIS. But if your own is showing you just 2 tiles separately, like this, a tile like this, and another tile like this, so you can actually merge them together by coming to raster here and come to miscellaneous and click on merge. Then when you click on merge, you come here to select the one you want to merge together, and this which is this and this. I'm going to click on OK here. Then I'm going to run it like that without any interference. Click on it and run it and close it. Then this is the merge one. So I'm going to uncheck that one. You can see the merge one. So, and this is how to download our SRTM digital elevation model over an area. So from here, you can actually right click. This one has been saved to my PC. So right click this one that is merged. Then come to export. You can save as. Then can come to here. Then save it. Give it a name. So FCT DEM. So I'm going to call it FCT DEM. I'm going to click on OK. And yes, I have my FCT DEM here, which is then I can actually come to my properties and do the symbology and symbolize it the way I want later. So, and this is how to download our SRTM digital elevation model from QGIS. Thank you and God bless.